Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Super User. In earlier videos I have shown you how to dual boot a Linux OS with Windows 10, but when it comes to remove the dual boot it becomes complicated, and mostly if you are not careful you end up breaking up your machine. So today I'll show you how to remove dual boot from your system without messing up your firmware. I have Ubuntu dual booted with Windows, but it does not matter what Linux distro is dual booted. Before I start, I'll make a backup of Ubuntu. Also create a restore point of your Windows so even if you mess up something, you can always recover your Windows. We are going to do this in two parts. 1. We'll delete the partition where Ubuntu is installed. And 2. We'll remove the Grub. Grub is a bootloader that comes with most of the Linux distros. Now, it does not matter which one you want to do first. So let's get started. So right click on the start button and select disk management. Here, this is the disk partition where Ubuntu is booted. Best way to recognize the partition is to remember the amount of memory you allotted to it earlier. Right click on it and delete this volume. Now as you can see, that space is unallocated. Now right click on any other volume and click on extend volume. Click next, next and finish. And now that unallocated space is gone. So this was our first step. Now for the second we have to remove the grub. Click on start button and type cmd. Click on run as administrator. We are going to use diskpart. It is a command line disk partitioning utility. Type diskpart, enter. Now we want to list all the available disks. Type command list disk. Here we have one disk. Select it by typing cell cell space disk space 0. We have confirmation. Now we will list all the partitions in the disk. List partition. Now select the system partition, that is the partition 1 in my case. We are going to assign a letter to this partition to identify it. Type assign letter equal to X. Now exit the disk part. Type exit, enter. Now we will move to system partition that we named X. Type X colon and enter. Now let's list all the directories in system partition using command dir. We have two directories, EFI and boot. Move to EFI directory by typing cd space EFI. Enter. Again, list directories in EFI using command dir. Here we have the directory for Ubuntu. We are going to remove this directory. Type command rmdir space slash capital S space Ubuntu. There is a space between S and Ubuntu. Type Y, enter. Let's view all the directories again. As you can see, Ubuntu is gone. Now close command prompt. Reboot your system. While rebooting, you might encounter this window. This is a Grub window. In this case, simply type exit and enter, and your system will reboot normally. Well, it's done. Ubuntu is completely removed from dual boot. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any queries, ask me in comments. Also suggest what you would like to see in my next videos. Please like and share it. Also subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. See you next time.